we have this question. It says a shopkeeper marks his goods at 30% above the cost price but allows a discount of 10% at the time of his sale. Okay, so his gain percentages. So we have to find out the gain percentage. Okay, so what you can do is let cost price equals to 100. So if we say cost price is 100, so marked price will be 30% above the cost price. So marked price will be 30% above, that means 100 plus 30, which is 130. Okay, now it allows a discount at the time of selling. Okay, so the shopkeeper sell the product and 10% discount on marked price. Okay, so discounted selling price, this would be 10% discount. So we can write 130 into 100 minus 10 by 100. Okay, which is 30 into 90 by 100. 0 gone, 0 gone. This is 117. Okay, so gain percentage. Okay, so gain percentage mean that selling price minus cost price by cost price multiplied by 100 when you are finding out the percentage. So selling price is 117, 117 minus cost price is 100. So 100 by cost price, again 100 into 100, which will give us 17 by 100 multiplied 100, which is 17%. So option 4 is the correct answer.